Good morning. We're here at Brunch Cafe. Ayan ang menu. Got coffee. Coffee is life. Para nanligas yung asukal niya.
Hindi nga matamis.
Di ba? Gamot muna bago kumain. Darna!
You guys need more coffee or you're okay?
Yeah, I'm yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So here's our order. I got garden omelette and
You guys are doing
fruits.
good? You
Yes.
haven't started yet. Taking pictures?
Yes. Pancakes, bacon. Sa kanyang, wow, strawberry pancakes.
Kala ko nasa tabi lang yung strawberry. It's a big.
Big serving.
Kapag ito inaano sa mga bata, strawberry na kakain yung dalawa.
Kaya ka pancake lang plain. Tapos tsaka na yung
Sarap.
bacon. Gutom yung pasyente. Hindi yung ganyan akong bacon. Oh, sarap.
Tapos, Canadian.
Tingin sa camera. Shy style. Diet ako eh. Tapos binigyan ako ng bacon. Diet ko no. Cellphone. Laki ng serving. Fruits in between. Wow. Cellphone ng cellphone, no? Kain ka na, uy. Busog na. Nagsasharon na. Balutin mo ako. Ang aking pangiki. Ang dami eh. Meron pa nga ako 1.5. Kanong bill namin? Dalawang coffee, $7.50. Pancake, $11. $2 strawberry, $5 bacon, garden, $15. $45.
How much yung
Brunch
bacon?
cafe. Oo, masarap eh. Special bacon yan eh.
Oo, Canadian. Sarap pala Canadian. Pag ano yung nabibiling ko sa grocery,